Welcome to MACSGATE. Now we start with the next chapter, control statements. In C program, instructions are written in the form of statements. What is a statement? It is an executable part of program and it causes computer to perform or carry out some action. So, statement tells the computer to perform some action. We classify the C statements as expression statements, compound statements and the control statements. See, in expression statement we have an expression followed by semicolon. Whenever control reaches that particular statement, that statement is executed. Now, in compound statement, we have collection of statements which are written within a block or within this curly braces. Remember, there is no semicolon after curly braces or after the block, no semicolon. And whenever control reaches the block, the statements in the block are executed sequentially. Dear friends, in C language, by default the execution is sequential execution. But if you want to change the order of execution, then we are going to use control statements. See, control statements are used to create special program features such as logical test, loops and branching. That is, based on some condition, some part of the program need to be executed or some part of the program need to be repeated. All such things are taken care by control statements. So, the control statements specify the order of execution of the program. That is, they define how the control is transferred from one part of the program to other part of the program. Now, let us see the classification of control statements. Dear friends, even sequential statements can be considered as part of control statements. They cause a sequential execution of the program. So, expression and compound statements are also kind of control statements only. Then we have selection statements. Under selection statements, we have conditional selection statements and unconditional selection statements. We will discuss these statements in detail. Under conditional statement, we have if, else if, nested if ladder and switch cases. And under unconditional statement, we have go to statement which causes unstructured programming. And we also have special statements like break and continue which are used with loops mainly. And the return statement returns the value, value from a function. It is used to return the value from a function. And we have these iteration statements. See, iteration statements repeat some portion of the program. That is, some part of the program, if you want to repeat it, we are going to use iteration statements or the loop statements. And what are the main loop statements we are having? For loop, while loop and do while loop. Now, let us discuss each of these topics in detailed manner.